Hi, I'm Tara with PDQ, and today we're going to talk about Detect. I'm going to show you what I think is the easiest way to install the Detect client. We're going to do it for all the computers in our environment. Let's get started. Okay, first thing, we're going to go to detect.pdq.com and we're going to come here. So scan surface and set up agents. And first thing we're going to do is we're going to download the exe. So right here, we're going to download it. Next thing, I'm going to go to my domain controller. I already connected to it. Now you can go to a machine that is on the same domain as the machines you want to join. You have to have RSAT on that same machine, and you need to be a domain admin. Those are the prerequisites. Now, here is my installer. So let's go ahead and run it and let's see what happens. Okay, so it's going to give us some options here. Here is our installer. Let's just run it. And again, remember, this is the exe. We are going to get the option. First, we're going to agree. Yes, yes, yes. We want the agent here. We're going to have options, right? We could do a scanner, but for this, we're going to do the agent. So let's hit next. It's going to tell us where it goes. Yes, thank you. We want to go there. Okay, here's our options. Local computer, Active Directory, or virtual desktop. For this, we want to do Active Directory because we're going to grab computers from Active Directory. Okay, so let's pick this option here. Next, here's our options. Do we want entire AD, all the tree, current OU, specific OU? This gives us some options, right? Maybe I don't want all the computers. Maybe I just want to specify certain OUs. I love this. This gives you lots of choices. But for this demonstration, I'm going to grab everything. I want it all. I want all the information. So we're going to hit next. Now, this is where we talked about you need to have domain admin privileges. So I'm just going to enter this and let's see if I actually know the password. Cross your fingers. All right, this is going to take us a second, but it's going to grab all the computers in here. So now I'm going to go in and enter it. This is where I'm going to grab my URL. So let's go ahead and copy that. Come back over here, paste this guy in here. I need my token now. Back over here to my domain controller, enter this, paste it here. I'm going to ignore this root one because I don't need it. And install. Yay! Okay, we're going to town now. So now it's going to install on all of my computers. While it's doing that, I'm going to show you what I think is a really cool thing. In addition to grabbing all my computers and dumping them in here for all that juicy data that I love, it is actually going to do, if I come in here and go reports and then click on configuration, it is actually going to give me what's called an Active Directory status report. I love this because not only is it going to grab computer information, it's going to grab user information. So I really love this because it's going to look at all of the users in this domain and tell me information about them. So let's pretend I'm going to get audited and the auditor wants to know, hey, when's the last time Andrew changed his password? Haha, now I can tell him. So let's look at Andrew. So his user was created a year ago. If I hover over here, it'll tell me the OU that he's in, and groups he's a part of, the domain he's in. His password was set 10 months ago. He logged in 10 months ago. He hasn't had any bad password attempts. If I hover over these right here, it's going to tell me any encryption. Oh, perfect. Andrew's a good boy. His password is set to expire, so we love this. Hover over here and password is set to expire, meaning he doesn't have any YubiKeys or anything like that set up, or biometrics. So I absolutely love this because I'm all about data. So this can be exported as well. If you have the API set up too, you can get even more details. If I scroll down, in addition to user information, here's all my computers. So this is a nice little snapshot for anything in your environment if you just want a quick look. Also, if I click over devices, here they all are too. So this is just a nice, quick way to bring in every computer environment via Active Directory into the Detect console. So I absolutely love this. Quick, easy. Why wouldn't you do it this way? I would. Why not? That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe. For PDQ, I'm Tara.